This is WJZ News at 5.
Well, a judge orders a 15-year-old Squeegee worker held without bail on murder charges now, calling him a danger to the public. Welcome to the News at 5, everyone. I'm Rick Ritter.
And I'm Denise Koch. Welcome to those of you watching on CBS News Baltimore and on WJZ TV.
And this case has certainly shaken Baltimore, and tonight we are hearing from family and attorneys who represent that teenage suspect.
So the killing happened last Thursday across from the Inner Harbor after a driver confronted window washers with a bat and was shot.
And WJZ investigator Mike Halgren live at the district court on Patapsco Avenue. That is where the suspect appeared in court a little bit earlier today. Mike.
Rick, Denise, the court will not make the charging documents publicly available, but the judge read from them and says that they state that the man who died was walking away when he was shot. Now, defense attorneys are disputing that. They say this is a clear case of self-defense. They're trying to get these charges moved down to juvenile court. For now, the suspect remains in a juvenile facility, but he is charged as an adult with 8 felonies ranging from murder, handgun violations, down to assault.
Right now, we just here to support him and let you know that he's frightened.
Yeah.
We're here as a family to be there for him.
He never been through nothing like this before.
The family of the 15-year-old accused of shooting and killing Timothy Reynolds across from the Inner Harbor last Thursday is defending him in their first public comments.
He's scared. He never been to jail before. He have no criminal background.
Police say after some sort of altercation on Conway Street, Reynolds parked his car and came towards Squeegee window washers with a bat. The prosecutor says video shows 3 people surround Reynolds. Someone threw a rock at him, and Reynolds became disoriented and was walking away when he was shot. The suspect's lawyers, J. Wendell Gordon and Warren Brown, dispute the allegations and say there's no proof their client even had a gun. They say he was walking backward, afraid he would fall on the curb and get beaten with the bat.
This case is very defensible. Someone wielding a bat, we would believe, is definitely deadly force.
It's unclear as to really who did the shooting, but if it was him, as Jay Wendell indicated, it was certainly justified with this 6 foot, 200 and some pound guy coming at you with a bat.
The suspect was 14 years old and turned 15 the day after the killing. His lawyers say he made anywhere from $95 to $200 a day squeegeeing to help support his 3 younger siblings. According to the court, he'd been squeegeeing and selling water on downtown corners since he was 7 years old.
He was just out there trying to make some money, honest money.
The suspect fled the scene, was arrested in Essex, where he lived. We learned in court today that he went to school in Baltimore City. The Reynolds family has not commented on the arrest, and they have asked for their privacy. And the next court date in this case is set for July 28th. Live at District Court on Patapsco Avenue, Mike Halgren, WJZ.